Imagine waking up to the sound of birds, fresh air, organic food, mud houses, tractor rides, and the charm of Indian village life. Now imagine turning this beautiful rural experience into a profitable business opportunity. That's exactly what agri-tourism offers. And today it has become one of the biggest upcoming sectors in India, not just for tourists, but also for entrepreneurs, farmers, and rural startups. With more people seeking stress-free weekend getaways, eco-friendly travel, and hands-on farming experiences, the demand for agri-tourism is rising across the country. India's agricultural heritage, diverse cultures, and nature-rich landscapes make our farms the perfect destination for experiential tourism. We'll guide to start a highly profitable agri-tourism business in India. We will cover in this video target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, funding and investment options, profit margin, company incorporation and legal compliance, supporting documentation, strategic guidance from Market Research Universe. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Target audience. Before starting an agri-tourism business, it's important to understand who your customers are. Your target audience includes urban families and working professionals looking for weekend relaxation, school and college groups for educational tours, foreign tourists interested in authentic Indian rural culture, corporate teams for team-building activities, nature lovers and adventure seekers, wellness travelers for yoga, meditation, and organic detox stays, and of course, travel influencers and bloggers. Market research and analysis. Let's look at the market potential, because the numbers are exciting. India's rural and agritourism sector is growing at a compound annual growth rate of 12 to 15%. By the year 2030, the industry is expected to cross 10,000 crore rupees. By 2035, with rising ecotourism demand and government support, it is projected to exceed 15,000 crore rupees. Let's talk about what's driving this growth. There's increasing interest in sustainability and organic living. Urbanization and stress are leading more people to seek out nature-based tourism. Government schemes are supporting rural tourism. And honestly, social media is really influencing experiential travel these days. Now, looking at key trends, eco-friendly farm stays are getting popular. People love organic farm-to-table food experiences. There are adventure add-ons like hiking, fishing, and even bullock cart rides. Cultural workshops, such as pottery, folk dance, and handicrafts, are in demand. And there are hybrid models that combine yoga, wellness, and farming. Marketing and sales strategy. Now let's understand how to attract customers. Branding and positioning are really important here. You want to highlight rural authenticity, use nature-friendly themes, and focus on clean food, organic lifestyle, and peaceful getaways. When it comes to sales channels, consider having your own booking website, listing on tourism platforms like TripAdvisor, Make My Trip, or Booking.com, using your social media pages, tying up with schools and colleges, building partnerships with corporate HR teams, and even working with travel agencies and local tourism boards. For promotional ideas, you might want to host seasonal festivals like a mango farm festival or a harvest day. You can also conduct influencer collaborations, share reels that show village life and nature activities, offer student discounts, family packages, and corporate day passes, and display customer reviews really prominently. Visual content works best because, honestly, agri-tourism is all about experiences. Financial planning. Let's break down how much money you need to invest. Startup costs, estimated, typically include several categories. For farm development and landscaping, you might need anywhere from 2 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Accommodation setup, like rooms or tents, could range from 3 lakhs to 12 lakhs. Activity setup, which covers things like tractor rides, tools, and animal sheds, is usually 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. Branding and marketing might need 1 lakh to 3 lakhs. Licensing and compliance can cost anywhere from 30,000 to 1 lakh. For your website and booking platform, expect to spend about 50,000 to 2 lakhs. Staff hiring and training is generally 1 lakh to 3 lakhs. So when you add it all up, your total initial investment could be anywhere from 8 lakhs to 34 lakhs rupees. Funding and investment options. Don't worry if you don't have all the capital. Agri-tourism has many financing options. So, let's talk about funding sources and how to raise funds for your venture. For small setups, bootstrapping can be a practical start. You might also consider bank loans and mudra loans, especially under the tourism and MSME categories. NABARD offers schemes aimed at rural development, which can be quite beneficial. State tourism subsidies are another avenue to explore. If you're venturing into eco-tourism projects, angel investors might show interest. And, hey, don't forget about crowdfunding platforms. They can really help get the community involved. Profit margin. Now the main question, how much profit can you actually earn? Agri-tourism businesses typically earn a 30 to 60% average profit margin. You can achieve higher margins if you also sell organic products, handicrafts, or farm produce. Corporate packages, well, they bring in premium rates. The break-even point usually ranges from 12 to 24 months, depending on factors like land size, number of visitors, and your marketing efforts. Company incorporation and legal compliance. To run your agri-tourism business legally, you should follow these steps. Business structure options include sole proprietorship, partnership or LLP, and private limited company, which is best if you are aiming for large-scale expansion. You'll also need to obtain certain licenses, like tourism business registration, GST registration, trade license, fire and safety certificate, FSSAI license if you serve food, and land use approval, depending on your region. Supporting documentations. So, you'll want to prepare documents such as identity proofs and business registration, land ownership or lease agreements, GST and bank account details, safety and hygiene certificates, FSSAI certification, vendor and staff agreements, insurance documents, and property and land use permissions. These documents ensure smooth operations, and honestly, they help build customer trust. How Market Research Universe can help. If you want expert guidance, Market Research Universe is here to help entrepreneurs, farmers, and rural startups build successful, profitable, and sustainable agri-tourism projects in India. MRU provides our services: real-time market research and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, marketing campaign strategy, business plan, pitch decks and financial models, business registration, regulatory compliances, and documentation. Our solution: MRU Navigator, India's and the world's most advanced real-time market research, strategy, and business planning platform and tool for startup founders, CXOs, directors, investors, and academic professionals. Whether you're validating a new idea or scaling an existing business, MRU Navigator empowers you with real-time market insights, industry trends, competitor analysis, and consumer intelligence. From crafting feasible business plans to creating investor-ready pitch decks, MRU Navigator transforms your vision into actionable, data-driven strategies, all in one intuitive platform.
So if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a working professional, a student, or anyone who want to start your own business or startup, or maybe you are interested to build your second income source in your life, but you are confused about the business idea, because there are a lot of business ideas. So which business to select actually, and also understand the market fit, then this video is for you. Now, did you know that 90% of startups fail within 1 to 3 years. Okay, now why this is happening? And I am not telling about that India, but globally also more than 90% startup fails within 5 years. One of the main root cause, one of the main reason that this is happening is actually not understanding the market fit. Okay, so founders start their startup without doing proper market research. They are actually starting their business blindly. They actually doing gambling. It's basically a gambling they are doing with their with their career, with their time. Now time very much important, because if you are not doing proper market research, understand the feasibility, understand the market fit, if you are starting, then for that case your time is you are wasting, because it will not going to happen for a long, and then you are failing. So then the time you are already invested for that period, then the time will never come in your life. So time is very much important. Okay, so that's why it's now you have to understand that which business, and it's need to be proper market fit, market feasibility understanding, and then you should start your business. Your business will only work if your passion or interest, your skill set, and market fit, these all three attributes align, then only your business will work, otherwise not for a long time. I know many of you is recognize it is like Ikigai model. Yeah, you are right, it is Ikigai model. But how many of you are able to apply this Ikigai model in your life, in your business to get success? Very few. So that's why what is the gap is going on is the execution this model in your this model in your life, in your business. So that's why I personally came to solve this out and execute your business within just 30 to 45 days. Okay, so I'll sit with you, I'll find out that what exactly your interest, your passion, and your skill set, and I'll being a market research expert, I will find out the best market opportunity, and then we'll discuss on that to find out the strategy, find out the blueprint to launch that business within 30 to 45 days. So, hi, my name is Mridul, and I'm the founder of Market Research Universe, and having more than 8 years experience now in this market research and business consulting. I'm also a mentor, so I run a program called Pharaoh Program in Market Research and Business Consulting. So till the time I have impacted more than 1,000 individuals through this program. And apart from that, I'm also author. I written 2 books. One of the book is Entrepreneurship in Independent Market Research and Strategic Digital Marketing. This book is got cited as one of the textbook or reference textbook in various colleges. Also, just to inform that we got awarded that as most comprehensive market research consultancy and training academy by Acquisition International, and recently we got featured as India's top market research mentor consultant in various media houses. After successfully running my startup Market Research Universe from last 5 years and mentored more than 1,000 individuals, I have created a platform called MRU Navigator. Now this is an India-based and world's first real-time market research platform for startup ideation, business planning, pitch deck creations or development, GTM, go-to-market strategy, and launching. This all in a centralized platform. Okay, so through this platform you will get more than 500 startup ideas. The number will keep continue increasing, and more than 5,000 business niches. Okay, and of course through this platform our plan is to give you a proper one-to-one mentorship, also to understand your interest, passion, and your skill set. And through this platform we'll figure out the best business opportunity, understanding the market trend, and accordingly we'll find out the best business that's suitable for you. So now make it very clear that we are not a typical business consulting firm here. We are a hand-holding consulting partner driven by real-time market research to launch your profitable and market fit business. Okay, so let's understand how this solution going to work for you exactly. So you have 3 steps. In the first step, you have to book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm going to sit with you. It's going to be a one-to-one consultation or mentorship, and understanding your interest, your passion, your background, your skill set. And then after that being a market research expert and business consultant, I'm going to find out the best market opportunity, understanding the market trend, understanding the future market, forecasting, and then find out the best, profitable business that's going to work for you, so that it will be a long-term business for you, okay, with a 100% success, okay, and that also within 30 to 45 days, okay. After that, in the second step, we're gonna work on that, on the execution part. So we're gonna first work on the business planning, creating the MVP, understanding, if there is any government schemes or government grants are available, then we can get that. Or if you will get any investment, that also we're gonna help on that. We're gonna work on that. And then after that, of course, the GTM strategies, go-to-market strategy, and definitely we're gonna launch that, right, successfully. And in the third step, we're gonna continue with your, branding, your marketing, and your growth. So if you really want to take control of your life and start your own business or maybe a second income source, then don't overthink. This is the right time. Don't delay much. Just take your first step. Book a one-to-one consultation with me, and I'm gonna make sure that you're gonna launch your business within 30 to 45 days. So see you on the other side.